In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to sort and filter your library in photos on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. Open the Photos app and tap the Sort and Filter button at the top. Then tap Filter to choose exactly what you would like to display. You can even select multiple filters to narrow things down. For example, you can choose favorites and not in an album, which will show only your favorite photos and videos that have not been added to any albums yet, making it much easier to browse and organize your collection. To reset everything and view your entire library again, just tap Filter and then Remove Filters. If you want to change how your photos are ordered, tap the Sort and Filter button again and choose Sort by recently added to rearrange your library based on when items were added rather than when they were originally captured. It's a simple way to view and organize your photos library exactly the way you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.